Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn that how you can use Grab application. Grab is a very famous application in Thailand in the Southeast Asian region. Through Grab, you can rent a car online, or you can order food as well, or you can even order your groceries online. So how are you going to use it? Let's find out. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Open your Grab application. How to create an account on Grab application? It's very easy. You can either use your phone or email address or social media platform as well. So after creating your account, the first thing is that you can pay by cash as well. But if you want to add a payment method, so how you're going to do it? Tap on the payment at the bottom, and then you can actually activate a Grab Pay wallet. But for this one, I will show you. If you tap on activate, you need to have a Thai national ID. It will not be activated on other documents. If you are not a Thai national, it will be hard for you to activate this one. So I will just leave it for now. There are other options here. You can either add a card, either a credit card or debit card from here. And once you enter the card, the details of the card, just tap on continue and this method will be added. So you can even pay by cash if you tap on the gear icon here at the top. So all payment methods. So these are all the payment methods available: card, TrueMoney, it depends, Kakao Pay, that which one you choose. So you can add a payment method if you don't want to pay by cash. So guys, the next thing is that how you're going to rent a car. So once you come to the home page, you will find transport here. So you need to tap on transport. The first thing you need to do is to where to. You need to select your destination. So just for the video sake, I will select this one. From here, you need to choose the pickup point. You can either search a pickup point by here. If not, you can just swipe on the map available here, and I will just choose this one is a pickup point. Then you need to choose the pickup point, and from here, as you can see, now this is the distance just for example, and here are the prices. These are the car available. So from here you can choose any car which is available. There is a Grab car for ladies as well. The driver will be a lady. So if you want to be more comfortable being a woman, you can choose the ladies car as well. So once you're done, you can either change the payment method here. Just tap on the cash option here. You can either select, if you have a payment method, a card or anything, you can choose from this one. If not, it will be auto selected as a cash. So once you're done, you can just tap on book the Grab and it will be done. Then you will see on the map that the car is moving towards your location, to the pickup point, and you can even call and talk to the driver through this application as well. So guys, this is how you're going to rent a car. Now the next thing is that how you can order food on Grab application. So guys, coming back to the home page on the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the food. So once you tap on the food, there will be suggestions as well. Based on the location that you are in, they will show you the nearby food outlets. So here, these are the food available nearby. So you can just select any shop here and you can order the food, or you can simply just type in the food that you want. Or suppose I will just give you an example. If I type in Amazon Cafe here, so I will tap on Amazon if I want to order any coffee or any tea. So suppose I want to order this one. So here are the options that choose the nutrition level. Suppose I just, for example of the video, you can add additional things as well. Everything is in English. So you can choose if you want to have a tube or no tube. And from here, you can increase the quantity if you want 2 or 3. And then just tap on add to basket, and that's it. And then from there, you can just tap on place the order and your order will be placed. So this is how you can order food on Grab application as well. So guys, this is it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take care.